watch till end. Yay! Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and now I am going to be making a craft. As you can see, I have taken a square paper and now we are going to be taking the measurements. So as you can see the measurements. Now after that we are going to be drawing the figure. So what things are in there and what measurements are there. So let me show you. So the upper part is of 12 centimeter and the small squares are of 2.5 centimeter and it is 10 centimeter long and strong. So yeah, and next we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it out. So yeah, let's cut it. So after cutting, it should look like this, and you're going to make sure that you have to take all the edges and cut it really nicely. After then, you're going to be folding like this, so it will be little perfect. Okay, so now as I'm folding it, so now you're saying that why I'm making like this craft, because I love things to be playing in my hand. I also love doing crafts, so I did this. So if you like, please tell me. Next there is gluing part, so we will glue all of it and then we'll just make a box. So you have to follow what I'm doing, and you have to take things that I'm using so you can make with me. Yay! Now see what I'm doing in here.